What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Alchemy Pay ACH, which has had a huge increase in value in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it has pumped up 57% in the last 24 hours, making it 0.01577. So is it too late to buy? Is it a good time to get into it? Is it time to sell if you are on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at, is it a crypto worth investing into? And especially with 2023 just around the corner, is this a must-have crypto in your wallet? And as you guys can see, most of the cryptos are up today, with Bitcoin pumping up 4%, Ethereum 6%, XRP 10%, so on and so on. So yeah, the market is on the positive side in the last 24 hours, and as you can see here, the market is up just about 5% in the last 24 hours. So before I go any further, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website right now, and Alchemy Pay has gained the top spot in the top gainers list, meaning it is performing very well. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 22% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 63%, over the week 41%, and over the month 34% up. So overall, it is more on the positive side, but most of it did come from more or less the last hour, half an hour. It's had a major increase in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,500% in the last 24 hours, making it $75.5 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Alchemy Pay. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention recently. As you guys can see, 88% buy against 12% sell. So we do have a massive amount of money being invested into Alchemy Pay right now, and we've got minority 12% selling the crypto. So let's get straight into it, guys. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Alchemy Pay, which at the moment is 0.01181. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 0.01578, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, of course, we are going to have the blue line and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction, looking very steep. And the only reason for that is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. It's not realistic at all, and I've mentioned this plenty of times in most of my videos. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, it is very likely that the crypto is going to drop back down in value, and that is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. I'm expecting an overall drop in value on Alchemy Pay, so potentially dropping below the SMA indicator is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should be back down to this, around this value here. But in between that time, it is likely it's going to pump up even higher, over 0.018. I'm expecting it to pump over that value, potentially heading towards the 2 cents target, and then slowly starting to drop back down in value. But yeah, the overall outcome at this point over the next 12 to 14 hours seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, still looking bullish, still looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, and the exact same reason applies here is because of the major increase that's taking place. We are still seeing steep lines, and again, that is not realistic at all. So over the next couple of days, so towards the end of next week, I'm again expecting an overall drop in value on Alchemy Pay, and then dropping below the SMA indicator, which is the purple line here, is what I'm expecting. More or less dropping down to the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days. Again, that doesn't mean we're going to be hitting red candles consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's up and green and days when it's down and red, but the overall outcome at this point over the next 7-8 days seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. Looking quite steep as well. Once again, the exact same reason applies here. And as you can see, compared to the previous candles, this one is major, going very high up in value. Yes, we can see one here. This was about 2-3 months ago, but again, ever since then, there hasn't been any major increases in value other than today. So yeah, I'm again expecting it to drop back down in value, exactly like what's happened here about 3-4 months ago when the major increase did take place, going over the 2 cents target. It straight away dropped back down in value, and ever since then it's been going down, heading downwards, and the exact same is what I'm expecting from Alchemy Pay over the next couple of weeks. So I'm talking about late November, early December. I'm expecting an overall drop in value on Alchemy Pay from where it's worth at the moment. However, guys, if there are any major increases or major pumps, not just on Alchemy Pay but the whole crypto market in general, then yes, it is going to change my predictions. But for so far, with the current predictions, current data that we've got, it's likely that it's going to be heading downwards. But of course, if we do see Bitcoin hitting 30-35k or even 40k, then we are going to see major increases on most of the cryptos. However, if Bitcoin drops to about 10 to 15k, then we are going to see major drops on the whole crypto market as well. But anything like that, as usual, guys, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, there isn't much we can do here. Only reason for that is we are trading in the red zone, which is not looking too good, guys. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least around 5 cents in target, meaning going for around a 300 to 400% increase, which I'm not expecting from Alchemy Pay anytime soon. So more or less for the rest of this year and potentially most of next year, we are very likely stuck in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction heading into the green zone, we should be good to go. But yeah, so far so good, guys. It is likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. About hitting the 5 cents target, guys, I'm not expecting Alchemy Pay potentially mid next year, over the next 6-7 months, then yes, we may be able to hit the 5 cents target, but at the moment nothing like that is predicted, and I'm not expecting that to take place either. But yeah, let me know what your expectations and your predictions are on this crypto, guys. I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish, as there's been a lot of bearish and bullish, I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.